thunderstorm warning for Weber County in northern Utah, southwestern Cache County in northern Utah, southeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, northern Davis County in northern Utah, west central Morgan County in northern Utah, until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Korean to 10 miles north of Great Salt Lake south of the causeway, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogden, Layton, Brigham City, Hill Air Force Base, Roy, Clearfield, Syracuse, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hiram, Cooper, South Weber, Cary, Wellsville, Willard, Merritt, Slaterville, and Uintah. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 331 and 370. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, and Weber.